Algorand's MR10 by and large shows a for the most part descending pattern, or so they in every way that really matters thought. As far as algo support floor, it certainly is presently $29, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algo generally rose 288% in 7 days, which certainly is genuinely critical. Algorand especially is, as of now, esteemed at $9.24 February 2024. In this video, we will, for the most part, walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for the following week, and in every way that really matters, attempt to respond to these regularly sought clarification on some pressing issues facts, what basically is by and large momentary cost expectation for Algorand in every practical sense. Is Algo a very wise interest in a, for the most part, enormous manner? Algorand support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. In any case, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Algo specialized examination, most certainly allowed us truly to discuss the by and large current economic situations in a quite huge manner. Market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 184%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,977, 896, 265, 575. The especially all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $50, 334, 576, 911 in an essentially significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51 to 543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77%, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Various elective digital currencies as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2 to 987.48 during the past 24 hours, which truly shows that Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, really in spite of prevalent thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time span in a very huge manner. Sol, the genuinely local coin of Solana by and large, is up by 2.3 and as of now exchanging at $103.77, exhibiting that market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a ruin of 184%, bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,977, 896, 265, 575 in an especially significant manner. Furthermore, XRP came to $55. Subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem, which sort of is genuinely huge. These occasions demonstrate that the market especially is going in a genuinely descending course for momentary in an unpretentious manner. As of now, an essentially broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they really thought. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant. Specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support truly is a level at which purchases sort of become genuinely more exceptionally dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Essentially further appearance how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 184%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,977, 896, 265, 575 amazingly. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which merchants for the most part become move especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of Algorand Algorand execution. The kind of current Algorand cost by and large is $19, with an exchanging volume of $43, 460, 390 as in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, which in a real sense it shows that Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33%, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Right now, Algo especially is up by 339% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $1,558, 181.92 as USD, which explicitly is very huge. Algorand value examination Algo cost investigation for 24 February 2024 inside an especially day-to-day time span generally made sense of beneath, so Sol the truly local coin of Solana basically is up by 2.3 and presently exchanging at $103.77, showing that market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a destruction of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,977,896, $265, $575 in a significant manner. We utilize exceptionally relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal union and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving fundamentally normal SMA and outstanding moving truly normal EMA to truly dissect the future development of the Algorand, which basically shows that Algorand value investigation algo cost examination for 24 February 2024 inside a sort of day-to-day time span essentially made sense of. Beneath, so Sol, the really local coin of Solana generally, is up by 2.3 and presently exchanging at $103.77, exhibiting that market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There was a defeat of 184%, bringing the fundamentally whole digital currency market to $1,977,896, $265, $575, which by and large is genuinely critical. The Algorand by and large has truly break all its really upholds levels and things basically are not looking fundamentally great for the crypto market, exhibiting that similarly opposition generally is a level at which vendors for the most part become move sort of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving essentially higher in an unpretentious manner. As of now, by and large bears certainly are in charge of the market and effectively especially take algo cost beneath the essential help level of $29 in an unobtrusive manner. While Algo's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 42.99 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. Exchange most certainly signal explicitly is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how at present, in every way that really matters, bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively essentially take algo cost beneath the critical help level of $29, which by and large is genuinely huge. The Algoust moving genuinely normal combination and disparity MACD marker basically is showing a momentary sort of sell truly signal as the MACD line truly is moving underneath truly signal line, which implies basically bears sort of a ruling on the lookout. So Algorand value examination algo cost investigation for 24 February 2024. Inside a truly day-to-day time period generally made sense of beneath. So Sol, the in every practical sense, local coin of Solana basically is up by 2.3, and as of now exchanging at $103.77, exhibiting that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there in a real sense was a defeat of 184%, bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,977,896, $265, $575 in an unobtrusive manner. The sort of relative strength list RSI demonstrates that the algo coin in every practical sense is close oversold zone, as RSI generally is at 31, which shows that Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand market sort of gives a bullish indications and